It's not a particularly good time because the gold price has been quite a bit higher than what it is now. And there's always that bit of cost creep, especially when the gold price is high because of a weaker rand, because that has an immediate inflationary impact on pricing. And what we've seen in the past is that prices go up, but they very seldom come down. The only thing that comes down from time to time is the petrol price, but everything else, once it hits a certain level, it pretty much stays there. So I think what you might find is that a lot of price increases have come through over time, and prices aren't going down. So it might be a tough time for some of the producers at this point in time. The impact on revenue is significant for us. For every 1,000 rand that the gold price goes down per kilo, we lose R1 million of revenue over a month, over a quarter rather. So we produce a ton of gold, roughly per quarter. So if the gold price is 100,000 rand per kilo higher, then it's 100 million more in revenue. So rewind a few months ago when the gold price was north of 600,000 rand a kilo, gives you an indication of the impact on the revenue line. However, I think at the time the gold was, it was an event, it wasn't a trend. So it was disproportionately high compared to the impacts, the local impacts that really should be driving it, and international impacts or dynamics. So that was short-lived. It came back to about 530,000 rand a kilo. We considered as a possibility, not as a probability, but as a possibility that there might be a change in leadership in the ANC when we did our budget runs last year, May and June. So we said, how would our business look if the gold price was 485,000 rand a kilo? We thought that might be the impact that a strengthening of the rand could have on the gold price, considering where it had gone because of the weaker rand. Insofar as costs, operating costs and necessary sustenance capital are concerned, that's sort of our stay in business level. There's not much in the way of margin, but it's all about stay in business.